Hello everyone. Today I'll be telling you about the bit logic. What is bit logic? Uh, Whatever you do in your program, that is a high level language, but when it is being processed, it becomes into a bit. So that we call a bitwise operator. Suppose we write 3. 3 is denoted with actually 101. Similarly, 5 as 1001. Sorry, 1. I'm sorry, 011 for 3 and 110 for 101 for 5. Yes, this is how bit operates. Okay, but when you write in your program, you write like 3 5 6 as a numeral. It is processed with 3 5, but when you want to achieve these 3 5, no, not 3 5, I mean 011 101, like this, when you want to achieve these kinds of binary digits, you have to write some of the operators to get those binary numbers. So this is what a binary logic program is. I have already written. This is a class bit logic. Here we have written, I have written that a is equal to 3, b is equal to 6. So a would be 0 1 1, and for 6 it would be 1 1. This is 2 4 4 to 6 110. Yes, 110 it is. So C would be A. This line means OR operator. So A or B. When you do A or B, see 1 0 1. So at the last position we would be getting 1, and after that 1, this one, this one, and this one. So this 1 1 will be 1. So again 1 1 and 1 0 1 for OR operator 1. So we must get as an output as 2 1 3 3 4 3 7. So this must be C must be 7. Similarly for AND operator, A and B. So here it would be like 1 0 0, then 1 1 1, then 1 0, again 0. So this would be 2. Now D must be 2 here. This would be 7 7. This must be 2. Now for this one, A, this operator B. So actually this is XOR. So for XOR, if it is different, then only it will give. So for that logic is 0 0 is 1, or 0 0 is 0, 1 1 is 0, and 0 1 is 1, 1 0 is 1. So here it is 1 0 1. So it must be like 4 and 5, like this. Like this it should give. This is negation. Negation means reverse the digit. See, if A, then A should be reversed. So if this is 0 1 1, then it would be 1 0 0. Similarly 0x 0f. This is F stands for hexadecimal. So this would be 0x0, 2-digit hexadecimal, that is 15. So this would be a 15. 15 negation, A negation, and operator 15. This is how it would be a program till G. But when you reach here at H, it would be left side and right side. See, this is a left side, so it would be a left shift. Left shift. What is left shift? Left shift means for 3, every bits will move one digit left. Suppose this is 0 1 1, so it would move 1 1 and 0. 1 would move one digit left, 1 would move one digit left, and the blank space will be filled with 0. So this would be 0. Similarly for 6, every digit, this is right shift, so every digit would move one digit right. So if it is 1 1 0, so it would be 0 1 1, like this. So this is left shift and this is a right shift. Okay, so this is how program works with bit. Bit logic is something that program operates on a bits. Okay, so we would be saving this program and try to run it. Okay, so cd, I have to get the location. So getting location, this is copied, oh sorry, copy and paste it. So we give one space, yes. Now I'll be putting, compiling this file. So for compiling, cd space bit logic dot java. The directory name is invalid. Oh sorry, this is java c. I'm sorry. Bit logic dot java. Yes, it is compiled. Now java space bit logic. Okay. Now this one is 3 6, then the next one is 7, the next one is 2. Similarly the next one would be 5, yes, and similarly it would move. Okay, so left shift, one left shift. Yes, one thing to get it, this is two left shifts. So if there would be one left shift, it would be like this. If there would be two left shift, then it would be one more 0 here and it would be one more 0 here. So it will be like 2 4 8 8 4 12. So output would be 12, and for the left shift, one more left. So sorry, it would be 0. Actually it would left shift, it would shift right 1 and it would shift right 1. So after shifting this, it would be a null. So 1, there would be a loss of 1, and it would move 1 would move at this position and rest would become 0. So it would be 1. Okay, so this is how a program works, bitwise operator. This is actually asked in some of the interview questions about the bitwise operators. This is important for interview point of view. Rest, I hope you have understood this, and please do subscribe prozap.in, and if you have any queries, please do comment. Thank you.